That voice in your head that says you're not enough, it's not just annoying, it's actually sabotaging you. Negative self talk doesn't stay contained in just your mind, it seeps into your relationships, making you doubt your worth with others. It undermines your career by holding you back from opportunities, and it can even affect your physical health through stress hormones and inflammation. The cost of continued self criticism isn't just emotional, but there's an alternative, and that is self compassion. Self compassion helps you build greater resilience, better health outcomes, and even have more success. When you change your inner dialogue from critic to cheerleader, the results go far beyond feeling better, and it creates ripples elsewhere in your life as well. If you need help changing that mindset and that perspective from critic and unhelpful to being more helpful, join my group coaching program that begins on March 26th. Click the link in my bio to learn more and to sign